Narwhal is amazing. I'm gonna show you firsthand just how amazing it works. Right now, it's going in the background. You can't even hear it because it's so quiet. Narwhal is the world's first self-cleaning robot mop and vacuum, which is amazing because yes, we love to vacuum, but mopping has been even more important lately since our backyard is literally just mud right now. We're trying to grow grass in a new development, so the dogs are in and out and the mud is just... This is the Narwal T10, and this is the best 2-in-1 robot on the market with self-cleaning technology, which means that it's a hand-free way to clean the mops on there. The Narwal will even go back to its base station to clean the mop heads in the middle of a cleaning to make sure that it's not tracking dirty water through the house. So that's what it means with the self-cleaning mop technology. I was so excited to be able to get my hands on one of these because Time magazine named the Narwal one of the best inventions of 2020. So the Narwal is a mop and vacuum. It's 2-in-1. It has 1800 PA suction, which sweeps so well. It has fast rotations pressed to the floor to clean stubborn stains easily, like my dog's little footprints everywhere. Auto senses dirtiness and self-cleans. The smart mapping and dual paths prevent secondary contamination. And like I said, it's so quiet. It has 45 dB during mopping. You won't even notice it working. The app is so easy to manage. You can see it even maps my house so I can schedule different cleanings for different rooms. I'm literally mind blown by it. Having 4 kids and 2 dogs, mopping and vacuuming is a must almost every single day. So this makes my life so much easier, especially... Does anybody else have kids that are obsessed with sensory bins? Mine are, and the sensory bin stuff is constantly everywhere, and Narwhal goes ahead and cleans that up for me. And with all of the kids, I love how it can get through any obstacle because we have lots of them. All right, so it's done vacuuming. I'm gonna take this out and show you everything that's in here. Wow, this was empty before we started cleaning today. That just goes to show how often you need to vacuum and what a great job this does. So opening that up. Wow. So now let's mop. All you do is take off this feature and put these in. First, let's see how white they are before. It just stopped in the middle of the cleaning and told me that it needs to be washed. So I just, you know, it's back to the home station.
Mop cleaning.
All right, it's done mopping. You can see how gross this water is. Ugh. And the pads, it did such a good job.